Hello and welcome to Naimesh Explores. In this video, I will explain how you can plan your first day at any all-inclusive resort. There are plenty of activities to do, and if you plan ahead, you can maximize the fun during your stay. Today, I just arrived here at the beautiful Bahia Principe Grand Bavaro in the Dominican Republic. You can use these tips for any all-inclusive resort. I will show you how to organize everything so that your stay is relaxed and you do not miss out on any of the amazing activities at the resort. Whether you want to relax, have fun, or enjoy great food, this guide will help you. Before you arrive at the resort, make sure to download the Bahia Principe app. This app will help you manage your stay. You can book your dinner reservations before you even reach the resort. Booking in advance is important because popular restaurants fill up fast. For example, the Indian restaurant offers an authentic Thali experience, and the Greek restaurant serves fresh Mediterranean dishes. These are some of the most sought-after dining spots, so make sure to reserve early. The app also shows you all the activities, resort maps, and any reservations you have already made. On your first day, after checking in, do not rush to your room just yet. First, check the app to see what activities are planned for the day. The resort offers activities like pool parties, live music, yoga by the beach, and games for everyone. On my first day, I joined a poolside game and ended my night with a beach party. There is always something fun happening, so be sure to check the schedule often. Next, grab a drink from one of the beach bars and take a walk around the resort. This will help you find the restaurants, pools, and beach spots. Knowing where everything is will save you time later on. If you are ready for a bit of adventure, you can try one of the water activities like kayaking or snorkeling to make the most of the sunny weather. Later in the day, after you have enjoyed some activities, you can head back to your room to relax and unpack. Bahia Principe rooms have great views, whether you are overlooking the ocean, the gardens, or the pool. My room had a view of the pool and garden, and it was a perfect spot to relax before dinner. In the evening, you can enjoy the dinner you booked using the app. My first dinner was at the Indian restaurant, where I had a delicious thali filled with a variety of authentic Indian dishes. It was a flavorful and satisfying meal. Alternatively, the Greek restaurant is another great option, offering a fresh and vibrant Mediterranean dining experience. After dinner, be sure to check out the nightly entertainment at the resort. There are live music shows, dance performances, and even parties by the pool. It is a great way to end your first day. The key to a great first day is balance. Plan enough to be organized, but also leave room to relax and enjoy the moment. My first day was filled with fun, but I also made time to take it easy and enjoy the surroundings. Whether you are relaxing on the beach, joining a poolside event, or having a great dinner, the Bahia Principe Grand Bavaro makes it easy to have a perfect day. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you have an amazing first day at Bahia Principe. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and share your favorite vacation tips in the comments below. See you next time, and keep exploring.